In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to SMS alerts from Tradingview. We'll walk through how to route Tradingview alerts to your phone as text messages, using your mobile carrier's email to SMS gateway. This method converts an email into a standard SMS, so you get quick notifications even without the Tradingview app. First, identify your mobile carrier's email. To SMS domain, every carrier assigns a special email format that forwards messages to your phone number as a text. You can usually find this on your carrier's support page by searching for email to SMS or SMS gateway. Note that some carriers offer separate domains for SMS and MMS. If your carrier lists both, choose the SMS one for shorter messages. Next, open Tradingview and head to your profile settings. Navigate to Alerts Delivery. In the Email to SMS field, enter your phone number followed by your carrier's SMS domain in the format number at carrier domain. Type it exactly, with no spaces or extra characters. This tells Tradingview where to send the email version of your alerts so they arrive as texts on your phone. Now set up an alert. On any chart, right-click and choose Add Alert. Pick the condition you want, such as crossing a price level or a particular indicator signal. Give the alert a clear name and, if helpful, keep the message short and direct. Shorter messages are less likely to be truncated by SMS limits. In the Alerts notification options, enable Send Email, and if you see it, send email to SMS. The Email to SMS option appears when you've added your carrier address in the Alerts Delivery section. And it ensures Tradingview will email your carrier gateway so you receive a text, if only Send Email is visible. Enabling it still ensures your alert is emailed, with the gateway address in your profile. Those emails are forwarded to your phone as SMS. Click Create to finish. From now on, when that alert triggers, Tradingview will send an email to your carrier's gateway, and you'll receive it as a text message. Delivery speed may vary by carrier and network conditions, and standard messaging rates could apply. So keep that in mind. A few quick tips for reliability. Test with a simple alert to confirm delivery. Keep your alert messages concise to avoid clipping. And remember that some carriers may throttle or filter frequent messages. If you ever stop receiving texts, double-check the gateway address format in your profile settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.